G'day everyone, welcome back to Pete's Investing. Today is May the 13th, 2023. This is the spot gold price update. Got the weekly and the daily charts and the hourly. So on the weekly, these and the daily, they're our major trend indicators. Let's go through each of these. So on the weekly first, it's showing a bullish movement. And what we're looking at is the triple moving average of the price chart. That's moving average 3, 5 and 60. And if that's aligned with the moving average 550 of the CCI 150, then we show a bullish signal like it is there. They're both in a bullish momentum. Where it's flat, it means one of the indicators is not lining up with the other. And where it's bearish, when they're both bearish, it's showing a bearish signal. So at the moment, on the weekly, primarily long trades only should be taken. On the daily, we've got that same indicator down here, but you can see there it's neutral. So on the daily, it's undecided yet. And the reason for that is the let's zoom out a bit. First of all, let's look at the support resistance lines. Support at 1617 down there on the dark blue horizontal, and this red 2082 resistance area. But you'll notice I've also got this two diagonals, this descending and this ascending diagonal line. Now it's actually coming back and almost approaching this ascending line, and it's been bouncing in that off that line for some time now, going back to middle of March. So it's actually looks like it may actually rest on that in the coming days, possibly. Now, what's happening here is this, on the CCI, it's showing a bearish divergence versus the price chart showing a bullish divergence. Generally, the CCI follows the trend of the chart, the price chart, and in some cases they diverge. In this case, they're not the same. So this generally means the price, not always, but it generally means the price is going to weaken. So what we're expecting is possibly the price to break through this ascending line, possibly, and break to the downside. It doesn't always happen, but they're usually pretty accurate. How far it drops, we're not sure, but at the moment we expect it possibly, if this continues, to break through this diagonal. For this to fail, we need to see the CCI move to the upside, as well as the price breaking also to the upside, and most likely breaking through this resistance area. So let's keep an eye on that and see if this actually does break through this ascending diagonal. On the hourly chart, you can see there more clearly it's in these two diagonal ascending lines. It's bouncing in there and it's approaching this bottom one. But also as a trading idea, I've got these fractals drawn in. So one trading idea is when the candle breaks above the fractal, and both the weekly and the daily trends are in alignment, then we take long trades. Or if the weekly and daily are in bearish alignment, we take short trades when the candle breaks below the fractal. And up here I've got a back test of a long positioning only. And you can see there, now there was a bit of a drop during this period when the price declined. So we're trading throughout the whole period on this one, on this back test. It's not discriminating on the weekly and daily trends. So you can see there what you should do is look at the weekly and daily. So you can see there during that period there was a bearish signal, so you would have avoided taking, and that's that period there, so you would have avoided taking those long trades during that period. In other words, you would have avoided taking that drawdown on your profitability. So only trade in the direction of the weekly and daily. So to understand this and other trading ideas, subscribe to my Patreon page with the links in the description below. We show weekly stock scans and currencies and commodities. Subscribe, like and share the channel. Thanks for watching, and see you in a future video.